Hi everyone. I'm in New Jersey right now and I know you're all staying home. And when I come to New Jersey, this is my home. And I'm going to take you for a walk around the yard so we can see if it looks different from Los Angeles or maybe a little bit the same. Okay, let's go for a walk. In the backyard, there's lots of trees. But as you can see, way up high, there are no leaves on the trees because all the leaves still are on the ground. Lots of leaves on the ground. Look, there's some buds. I think these are going to be flowers. Once in a while there's flowers here. I can show you some of those. There's also a lot of moss. See this green stuff on the stones? That's called moss. And it grows a lot here because it's so wet. Oh, I hear someone doing some construction in the backyard. I think that's the neighbor. This tree is already starting to flower. That looks purple, maybe pink. Now I'm walking around to the front. I see something with red looking berries on it. They're very red. Not sure what this is called though. I spot some more flowers. Let's walk over to those flowers. These are called daffodils and they're very yellow. There's also some more purple flowers and lots of ivy. Yep, lots of ivy in the East Coast. Do you hear the birds? I can hear them. Wondering if you can hear them too. This is a favorite little spot. It's actually just a pile of stones. It would be kind of fun to move them around, but they're very heavy. A very crunchy sound. There's more moss. That's the backyard. Lots of trees. Ooh, they're so tall. They go way up to the sky. Let's see if there's any mail yet. Probably not, but it's good to check because it's a long walk down this driveway. I'm gonna go to the mailbox. Right here. And then we open it up. Nope, nothing. Maybe later. Here's something interesting. It's called a sculpture. Whoop, up and down these little areas I'm walking. It's a sculpture my brother made a long time ago. And it kind of has like a bug on it or something. Let's look closer. Looks like a bug. What do you think?